Jesus said in Matthew 5, verse 37, "Let what you say be simply yes or no. Anything more than this comes from evil." Now, I don't think he meant everything we say is a one-word answer. He didn't mean say yes or no to everything and be short-sentence, have short sentences. No, I think he meant be clear. Don't be deceptive. My dad, who was a lawyer for 50 years, he said lawyers are trained to muddy the waters. He was a defense attorney. And so you want to muddy the waters in people's mind, because innocent till proven guilty. And if you can create doubt in their minds, then the guy's innocent or the girl's innocent, because there's going to be doubt. Jesus is saying, don't do that with people. Communicate clearly. Communicate with positive intention. Communicate so that people understand what you're saying and what you mean by what you're saying. And I think you can agree with me, especially in an election year, that isn't always the case, right? So what is truth? It's expressing what you think, feel, and believe. It's not implying stuff. It's not throwing out little bites to lead people in a different direction. It's not ignoring the questions. It's not trying to get people to go in a different direction. It's open communication. Now, I believe that there are levels of truth, and that's why I say the art of telling the truth. We have to use our creativity, our imagination, because everyone is on a different level of consciousness, and we're in different states of consciousness as well. So that's what I want to share now. There are times when lying is the truth. Let me give an example. A monk is standing outside his little hut in the woods, in the forest. And a woman comes running, upset, screaming, "He's out to kill me, he's out to kill me, help me hide." And the monk says, "Okay, go into there." Or even she just runs into his hut. And then along comes a crazed killer with a knife. And it says, "Where did the woman go?" "Woman? What do you mean, woman?" says the monk. This is a hermitage. Why would there be women here?" "Oh." And the murderer keeps running off through the woods. The monk lied, right? But in lying, he saved 3 lives. He saved the woman's life, but if the murderer had killed the woman, then he would have killed the monk, because the monk was the witness, and then he would have gotten caught eventually, and they probably would have executed him for the murders. 3 lives were saved because the monk told a lie. Sometimes a lie is the truth. When it benefits somebody, and here's the key, hurts no one. Benefits someone and hurts no one. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.